Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Mastering technical blog posts. So, hey guys, we'll be showing you how to master technical blog posts. Start with the right mindset. Conquer writing fears. Remember, writing is a skill developed through practice, not innate talent. So, embrace the learning process. Cultivate ideas. Maintain a dynamic list of new discoveries and challenge you've overcome to inspire fresh content ideas. Fuel your passion. Select topics that genuinely excites you. Your enthusiasm will shine through, motivating you to see the project to completion. Knowing your audience and purposes. Define the readers. Are your reading for beginners, experienced, professional, or peers? Tailor your language depth accordingly. Clarify your content. Is your goal to teach a concept, share unique insight, enhance your visibility, or promote a project? Let your purpose guide your narrative. Match content to familiarity, adjust the complexity and technical detail of your post to align with your audience exciting knowledge base. Plan with a clear outline. Structure your narrative. Every good technical post has a flow. Introduce the problem, present your solution, and conclude with a concise summary. Choose the right format. Illustrate with example. Solidify your points with concrete examples and functional code. Then, these practical elements are crucial for readers' comprehensions. So, with clearly and concisely, the 7 C's of technical writing. So, these are the 7 C's. We have the clear, easy to understand, concise, to the point, concrete, specific details, correct, accurate information, and coherent, logical flow, complete, covers all necessary info, and courteous is a respectful tone. There you go. Those are the 7 C's. Now edit, get feedback, and polish. Separate writing from editing, review aloud, and seek constructive feedback. Share your work with peers or mentors. External perspectives are individual for identifying the areas of improvement. Enhance with visuals, incorporate some diagrams, chart, and compelling cover image to make your post more engaging and easy to understand. And for the last one, guys, publish and promote your work. Strategic publishing, select platforms from that align with your audience, whether it's your personal blog, dev2, or medium. Amplify your reach. Share your posts across social media channels and relevant online communities to maximize your readership. So, cultivate constancy. Regular writing hones your skills and keeps your audience engaged and returning for more. And a quick tip for you guys, your blog post isn't just sharing knowledge. It's a powerful tool for building your professional reputation and contributing to the tech community. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.